I'm going to tell you exactly how to become a pro developer on Roblox in 3 simple steps. For starters, you'll need to familiarize yourself with the controls as well as the tools you're given to create games. Practice makes perfect. Learn the tools. The more you use them, the more efficient you will become, meaning the more you can accomplish in a shorter amount of time. A lot of developers, even at the highest levels, forget the basics, which is the reason they are slow to produce games and can't produce them at such a rate as other game studios can. Secondly, mistakes. You will make mistakes regardless if you want to or not. You can't learn from only accomplishing. You will have to fail along the way. I would know nothing I do now without making the mistakes I have. If you don't fail, you can't succeed. Not trying to be a Gary Vee of Roblox development, but you are guaranteed to always make mistakes no matter how big or little. You will always fail. Lastly, learn from others. Whether this be someone you've met on developer forums or someone that you just seen on a YouTube video somehow. You need to learn from them because they have made thousands of hours of mistakes. The chances of you actually being right about something that developers, not just one, but maybe tens or hundreds or maybe even 1,000 developers that have spent thousands of hours on this website have made constantly and then just somehow not getting it right, but you randomly finding out one day how to get it right, the chances are pretty much zero. They're as close to zero as they can get without being zero. So just trust what other developers have learned and what they've done and just use that. Summarize what we've went over to become a skilled Roblox developer. Focus on mastering controls and tools through consistent practice. Embrace mistakes as crucial learning opportunities and leverage the experiences of others through forums and educational platforms. This 3-step approach, emphasizing hands-on learning and resilience as well as community knowledge, is key to achieving success in the Roblox development universe.